Lainey Melnick with Dream Vacations. I know that you guys are all used to doing my travel videos, but I got the most unusual request I've ever had when I was at Sandals Emerald Bay. Somebody asked me to please do an unboxing video. So I thought, okay, I will do one. And I just happened to get my new iPhone 13, which greeted me when I got back from the Bahamas today. So it's a perfect opportunity for me to show you unboxing my iPhone 13. So excited. So I'm actually doing this video on my iPhone 12. So the reason I bought this is because I really needed a better battery. I needed better camera, and I do all of my videos mostly on my iPhone. Some I use my GoPro for, usually just for my underwater stuff. I'm really excited to try my iPhone 13. So here we go. I decided to go ahead and show you the entire unboxing because that's so exciting when it comes in the mail. And I hope my friends at Sandals Emerald Bay appreciate that I did this for them. Okay. So as you see, it's shrink wrapped onto the bottom of the box. I can just look into it. So exciting. Okay, I got this gorgeous blue color. It's a really small box. Really cute. Okay, now let's figure out how to open this. Let's see. There's something to rip there. Oh, that was all. Okay. Pretty. Oh, I guess I could have done that side too. Look how beautiful. Okay, so there's a little tab to pull. So nice. Oh, it feels good. It feels, so I have the big one for the 12, and I decided not to go max on this one because I kind of missed having a small phone I could just put in my pocket easily. This is a good size. It actually feels kind of heavy, but it's nice and thin. So pretty. So I'm gonna, it just comes off so pretty. And it's all recyclable. So I'm not sure actually how to start this. So I just press the side button. It's so shiny. Do you see how shiny that is? Really pretty. Okay, so while that's starting, I'm gonna see what else is in here. So you've got your lightning cable and, oh, hold on. Your little device to open it, instructions, and your Apple sticker, which I never use those. I think that's everything. That's all that's in this box. So it's starting up. Bonjour. I'm gonna swipe up, press English, United States. I'll do, should I do a quick start? Oh, you know what? I won't be able to set it up with you guys watching. So I'm going to set it up and then I'll be back. Okay, so it is updating. So it is a Sierra Blue 1 terabyte iPhone. And I was having trouble. I kept running out of memory on my iPhone 12, which was really annoying. When I wouldn't have a good internet connection and I was doing my travel videos, it would just kill my iPhone. So I couldn't let that go on. So I got a terabyte. So if this runs out of memory, I don't know what's happening. But I use iCloud for all of my photos and videos. But when it can't upload because the Wi-Fi is not working, then it wasn't working. It was super easy to set up. I just have to put my two iPhones next to each other. You have to center a little blue thing that's on this onto the other iPhone. And it automatically takes all of the settings, and it did another backup on my iPhone 12, fresh backup. It's now updating to the newest iOS, which will take a while. I'm doing it through iCloud instead of direct phone to phone because that was going to take a lot longer. So hopefully this gets all set up quickly so I can start playing. I'm excited. Oh, I think it did it. Okay, I had to sign into my Apple ID and it's setting everything up. It's doing my iCloud settings. I had the 12 Pro Max before, and that's the one that's been giving me so much trouble. So I'm really hopeful that this was all I needed, but we'll see. Yay! Okay, well, this is the first test. I put this on the same settings, the 0.5 camera, so it's the wide angle, and it's the same lighting. Everything's exactly the same. I'm now on my iPhone 13 Pro. So I need to see what it looks like to see if it's made a difference. But it looked clearer when I was looking at the viewfinder. So I think that this is a pretty good camera, but we'll see. I need to move over my SIM card to start using this as my one phone, and then I'll upload this video. My first unpacking video. This is the 3X 1.5 on portrait. And if I go down closer, hi baby, it's supposed to automatically switch to a macro camera. This is the 1X normal setting. This is the new cinematic setting. That's supposed to add better depth. You can see it kind of blurs out the background a little. It is similar to portrait mode for photos, a little bit. When you're in cinematic mode, you don't get the option to go 0.5 or 3. So this is the macro. Well, so I turned the light off. So there's only light coming from a doorway. And this is the low light camera at 1X. That's at 0.5. That's at 3.